Hey, hey, yeah. Special day, nigga. Let's go. Young nigga with them say young nigga with that fit. Say young nigga with them shit.
What's good, YouTube? Sporty B back again with another pack opening. Let's see, make sure I look alright. Alright, good, we're going. Alright, so just a little quick one today. We got not a whole lot out there, so they had some contender fat packs. 22 cards each. You're looking for Herbert, Tua, Burrow, Love, stuff like that. The odds. Let's see the odds. If I can whoops, kind of open that one a little bit. It's all good. So there's the odds if you guys want to pause and check them out. They're as usual not very good. You gotta get really lucky. So let's see if we can get really lucky. Alright, first fat pack. 2020 Panini contenders. Opened up a ton of these. Don't see any fat cards. So we got a base. Yeah, base, Patty Mahomes, base, Marlon Mack, a base, and still base, lots of base, Kyler Murray, base, Bosa, base, man, ton of base, Chris Godwin, legendary, so we got base, hey, Deion Sanders, of course not a Cowboy team, but it might as well be a base, and base, and hey, Dak Prescott, go Cowboys. And we got a Rookie of the Year, which is going to be a KJ Hamler. Alright. Dak Prescott, cool. Might as well be a base though. Michael Pittman, John Ted, we'll keep that one. And a rookie, so. Yeah, kind of rough. That was a rough pack, and I imagine this one's not going to be a great deal different. Anyways, let's give it a try. We got base, and base, more base. Hey, Rogers, base, Watt, base, Zeke, go Cowboys, base, Sam Donner, Yikes, DJ Moore. We got a Russell Wilson MVP, not to be a base. Hey, we got a Rookie of the Year. It's going to be a Chase Claypool, not bad. Of course, this one's a little better, but hey, it's all good. We'll take it, Chase Claypool. And then we're going to have a Isaiah Simmons and AJ Terrell. And the final card is going to be a Christian McCaffrey. It's like a green parallel. And there is a code if anybody wants to use it. Green parallel, cool, numbered to nothing. MVP. Neat. Anyhow, hey, thanks for hanging out. If you enjoyed, sorry about that. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and roll by for daily pack opening. Just a little one in packs I found. Also be streaming Mobile Legends on the daily. So catch you guys later. Bye.